Welcome to Unit 3/145 Edward Street, Brunswick. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit or villa unit situated close to everything and available now. As we come through the front door, we're at the main living area, ambient modem there, right, plenty of storage, plenty of space I should say, which leads to the kitchen and dining area. Linen cupboard there, storage. So it's nice and light and bright. It's an older style apartment or unit, but as you can see, it makes up for it with size, which is not that common these days. Here's your main bedroom. Built-in robes there. Little hallway here. Second bedroom, again with built-in robes. Separate toilets. Bathroom with laundry facilities, and that's a proper laundry facility or space for a washing machine and dryer. Shower over your bath. Vanity there. As I said, it is an older style unit, but makes up for it with the size and also the location. So we are nestled in between Lygon Street and Sydney Road, so you've got the best of both worlds. There's your kitchen, gas cooking stove there, oven, and it's a little courtyard here. Also comes with a single car off-street parking. So be quick, and this won't last long.